This conversation is powered by Google Illuminate. Check out illuminate.google.com for more. Today's discussion delves into a fascinating patent from 2011 focusing on a lockbox imaging system. It's a system designed to revolutionize how financial institutions handle the processing of checks and associated documents. What initially drew you to this patent?
The sheer volume of paperwork involved in traditional lockbox processing. Imagine the mountains of checks and invoices a large company receives daily. This patent tackles that inefficiency head-on.
Exactly. It promises a significant leap forward in efficiency. But how does it actually work? Is it all automated?
Not entirely. There's a blend of automation and human intervention, a smart combination that addresses the complexities of handling diverse documents.
Intriguing. So it's not a completely set it and forget it solution. Let's explore the human element and the role of technology in this system. Let's start with the header sheet. The patent describes an operator generating a header sheet with identifying information before scanning. Why is this crucial?
The header sheet acts as a digital index. It contains key information like the lockbox batch number, customer ID, check number, and amount. This information is essential for associating the scanned images with the corresponding data records later. Think of it as creating a digital table of contents for the entire batch.
So it's like a metadata tag for the entire batch of documents. And the barcode on the header sheet plays a key role in the automation process, correct?
Precisely. The barcode allows for quick and accurate identification of each batch during the scanning process. It's much more reliable than relying solely on optical character recognition, OCR, of printed text, which can be prone to errors.
The patent highlights the parallel processing of checks and documents. Can you elaborate on this aspect?
The system cleverly handles checks and documents concurrently. While one scanner captures images of the documents, another simultaneously scans the checks. This parallel processing significantly speeds up the overall processing time. It's a key element in improving efficiency.
So it's not a sequential process, but rather a simultaneous one. This is where the efficiency gains really start to add up. What about data entry? Is that also automated?
Not completely. While the MICR reader on the workstation automates data extraction from checks, the data from the accompanying documents still requires manual input. However, the use of barcodes on the documents could potentially automate this step as well.
The patent emphasizes the importance of associating the data records and images. How does the system ensure accurate association?
The system uses a combination of automatic and manual processes. The automatic process relies on the keys generated from the header sheet barcodes. However, when multiple documents are associated with a single check, manual intervention is needed to ensure correct matching. The system presents the operator with thumbnails of the images and the corresponding data records, allowing for easy visual verification and association.
So it's a human-in-the-loop system that combines the speed of automation with the accuracy of human judgment. What happens if the barcode isn't readable?
The system is designed to handle such errors. If the barcode isn't readable, the system alerts the operator, who can then manually input the missing information from the header sheet image. This ensures that no data is lost.
The patent outlines several methods for delivering the processed data and images to the customer. What are the options?
The system offers flexibility. Customers can choose to receive the data on a CD-ROM via a bulk electronic file transfer over the internet or a private network, or by accessing the data directly through a secure online interface. This caters to different customer preferences and technological capabilities.
This flexibility is a key advantage. It allows the system to adapt to various customer needs. What about data security? Is that addressed in the patent?
Absolutely. The patent mentions encryption for electronic file transfers and secure authentication for online access. These measures are crucial for protecting sensitive financial data.
Let's briefly look at the patent's history. It was filed in 2010 and granted in 2011. What's the significance of the classification?
The classification: reading bank checks, CG documents bearing E13B type characters, clearly indicates the patent's focus on automating the processing of checks and related documents within the financial industry.
And the numerous references cited in the patent suggest a thorough review of existing technologies and solutions in this area. This demonstrates a comprehensive understanding of the prior art. The patent includes several claims, each outlining a specific aspect of the invention. What are some of the key claims?
The claims cover the core components of the system, including the document and check capture components, the memory for storing data and images, the processor for associating data, and the various methods for delivering the processed information to the customer. They also cover specific details like the use of barcodes and different image formats.
The claims are quite comprehensive, covering all the essential elements of the system. Are there any limitations or potential drawbacks to this system?
While the system offers significant improvements over traditional methods, it still relies on some manual data entry, which could be a bottleneck in high-volume scenarios. Furthermore, the accuracy of the system depends on the quality of the scanned images and the accuracy of the manual data entry.
The patent mentions several prior art systems, highlighting their limitations. How does this invention overcome those limitations?
Prior art systems often lacked the ability to efficiently handle both checks and associated documents simultaneously. This patent system addresses this by employing parallel processing and a robust data association mechanism. It also provides more flexible data delivery options.
So the key innovation is the integrated approach, combining parallel processing with a sophisticated data association method. This is what sets it apart from previous solutions. Looking ahead, what are the potential implications of this technology? How scalable is this system?
This technology has the potential to significantly reduce processing costs and improve turnaround times for lockbox processing. The system's scalability depends on the capacity of the hardware and software components. However, the modular design suggests that it can be scaled to handle very large volumes of documents.
The scalability is a crucial aspect, especially for large financial institutions processing millions of transactions daily. Since this patent was filed in 2010, significant advancements have been made in image processing and data management. How does this patent hold up today?
While the core concepts remain relevant, the specific technologies used might be outdated. Modern systems likely utilize more advanced OCR, barcode scanning, and data storage solutions. However, the fundamental principles of parallel processing and efficient data association remain highly valuable.
So, while the specific technologies might have evolved, the underlying principles of this patent are still very much applicable in today's context. What was the overall impact of this patent and similar technologies on the financial industry?
The introduction of automated lockbox imaging systems has significantly streamlined financial processing, reduced operational costs, and improved customer service. It has enabled faster access to payment information and facilitated the transition towards digital record keeping.
It's a clear example of how technological innovation can transform a traditionally paper-intensive industry. What areas of further research and development do you see as important in this field?
Further research could focus on improving the accuracy and speed of automated data extraction from documents, enhancing data security measures, and integrating the system with other financial technologies, such as blockchain. The development of more sophisticated AI-powered solutions for document processing is also a promising area.
The integration with other financial technologies is a key area for future development. This discussion has provided a comprehensive overview of this innovative lockbox imaging system. What are your final thoughts on its significance?
This patent represents a significant step towards automating a traditionally manual process. While specific technologies may have evolved, the core principles of parallel processing, efficient data association, and flexible data delivery remain highly relevant and continue to shape the landscape of modern financial processing.
That was a great discussion. Thank you for sharing your expertise.